said, wait. And actually, this is the count. Got Benji in his bag. And dry sand to rest. And look at this big old hole they made. And we're getting ready to leave because night will be falling in about 10 minutes. It will be dark. And get a little closer so if you can see the lake a little better. And there's a lot of gnats out here and mosquitoes, so it's about time for us to leave. So I hope you like this little short video, kids. Benji, your shoe's glowing. Yeah. Your shoe's glowing. That's cool. I didn't know that. We would have never known that. That's pretty cool. So next time, what you want to tell the kids?